So hey hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and today we are going to see about getting started with the OnePlus Nord 1 series of your phone. Now we have the OnePlus Nord here, which I have unboxed. Here we have the OnePlus Nord stickers and the charger cable and the charger here and the transparent case and the OnePlus Nord case as well. Along with that we have the OnePlus Nord here. Here we see this way Nord. So let's wrap this cover out now. Okay, so here we see the OnePlus Nord phone, and it is of grey Onyx. And here I have the 12 GB RAM and 256 gigs of storage variant. The finish looks awesome. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass at its back and the front as well. And we have the volume rockers at the left side and the alert slider at the right side, along with the power on off button on the right. And above that we see a mic on the phone. Unfortunately we don't have a provision for the headphone jack for OnePlus Nord. And at the back we see four cameras, which is of 48 megapixel of main camera and 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of depth camera, and 2 megapixel of macro lens. At the bottom, we see a USB-C type charging cable, and this OnePlus Nord comes with 30-watt wrap charge along with the SIM card eject tray and a mic as well. So quickly, let's turn on the phone and see what we have, and let's get started with OnePlus Nord. Okay, we see OnePlus symbol that is coming up, and it looks bright and it looks awesome. And I guess it takes time to load, and let's wait for the phone to get loaded. So once you log on with the phone, we see a hi there and getting started with the Android. So let's get deep into it and see what we have on the OnePlus. The OnePlus comes with an Oxygen OS, and the version of Oxygen OS we have is 10.5. Let's quickly go on with the following steps and configure the device right now. The OnePlus also comes with in-display fingerprint, wherein I'm going to skip this part. The beauty of OnePlus is the Oxygen OS itself, because the features that the OnePlus gives through this OS is really awesome, and the touch and look and feel of the OS is really awesome, and the user experience that OnePlus provides apart from other mobile phones is really a class apart. That is why I prefer OnePlus, and the Oxygen OS is especially beautiful to use. It of course provides best experience like the iPhone level experience other than compared with the MI phones and the Realme and other Chinese brands as well. So that's it. We have quickly started with the OnePlus Nord here, and this is how we are getting started with the OnePlus Nord. And the display looks really awesome with the AMOLED display, and it is one of the top-notch display that in this current segment of around 30K budget. And the OnePlus comes with the 90 Hz display, and it's really fast and smooth. The way I touch, the way the screen flows, it's absolutely fluid, it's absolute, and I love using it. And I prefer the smartphone than the competitors like the Realme. So we will have a quick review video after a week of usage. And so that's it for this video today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you like it, subs if you loved it. See you guys next time.